on the website how actually the flower essence readings work, because I get a lot of questions about how the pendulum works and everything else. So this is an introduction on how, and I'm going to figure out flower essence for the Soulful Sunday, but the video is going to be on my pendulum so you can see it. So the first thing I do is I make sure that my pendulum is an iron tune, I guess. So my question is, it already answered yes, but my question is with 100% accuracy, and then it goes to yes, or 100%. For my pendulum, this means yes. This means no. And then if I want a number, like say I want number 6, it'll go to number 6 because it goes on a half kind of shape from 0 to 10. So is there a flower essence for today? So it's yes. And then I use my book to figure out which one.